Hey Aaliyah, welcome back to Dadtime Bedtime Stories. Tonight I will be reading The Roar and the Rainbow, How to Make New Friends. Once upon a time in the magical land of Enchantedville, there lived a lion named Roar and a unicorn named Rainbow. They were best friends and had many adventures together. One sunny morning, as they were frolicking in a meadow, they heard a distant bell ringing. It was the sound of Enchantedville School welcoming its students for a new semester. Curiosity sparked in Roar and Rainbow's eyes. They had never been to school before and were excited to make new friends. With eager hearts, they followed the sound and arrived at the grand entrance of Enchantedville School. As they stepped inside, they were greeted by a flurry of creatures in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Dragons, fairies, goblins, and even talking trees were among their classmates. Roar and Rainbow felt a mix of excitement and nervousness as they found their way to their class. In the class, their teacher, Miss Wisdom, introduced them to the other students. Roar and Rainbow were amazed by the diverse group of magical beings. They felt a bit overwhelmed at first, but they knew they had each other for support. During the break, Roar and Rainbow approached a group of fairies who were giggling near a sprinkling pond. "Hello, Roar," said with a friendly smile. "I'm Roar, and this is my friend Rainbow. We're new here. Would you like to be friends?" The fairies looked at each other with surprise, but quickly returned their smiles. "Of course," replied one of the fairies named Sparkle. "We're always happy to make new friends. I'm Sparkle, and these are my friends Flutter and Glitter." Roar and Rainbow spent the break playing with the fairies, flying around the schoolyard and sharing stories of their adventures. They discovered that they shared a love for exploration and magical creatures. The fairies were impressed by Roar's bravery and Rainbow's graceful charm. As the days passed, Roar and Rainbow made friends with other classmates too. They became acquainted with a mischievous but kind-hearted goblin named Gizmo, a tiny dragon named Ember who loved to play pranks, and a shy yet magical talking tree called Willow. Together they formed a tight-knit group of friends, always supporting and encouraging one another. In the Enchantedville School, Roar and Rainbow learned valuable lessons about magic, friendship, and the importance of diversity. They discovered that being different was something to be celebrated and that everyone had their unique strength and abilities. As the school year progressed, Roar and Rainbow's friendship with their classmates grew even stronger. They spent their days learning spells, exploring enchanted forests, and creating magical artwork. They were not only friends, but a family of magical beings who stood by each other through thick and thin. The lion named Roar and the unicorn named Rainbow had found a place where they truly belong, a place where they could be themselves, make friends, and let their magical spirit shine. And as they roared and galloped through the Enchantedville, their laughter echoed in the hearts of all that knew them, spreading joy and enchantment through the land. The end. Hope you enjoyed that Dadtime bedtime story, and good night to Aaliyah and all the other kids listening. The end. Hope you enjoyed that Dadtime bedtime story, and good night to Aaliyah and all the other kids listening.